There's good news for investors with the Australian share market bouncing back after losses of more than $50 billion yesterday. The ASX 200 has jumped by 0.6% this morning, up by 32.6 points. Joining me now is Jason Featherby from Knight Financial Advisors. Good morning to you, Jason.
Hello, Louise.
After devastating losses yesterday, just how hopeful should we be about this bounce back?
We should always be hopeful because that gives us something to look forward to, but I don't think the volatility is over. So should we start buying and think that it's over and move on? No, I don't think so. I think this is just a little bit of a reprieve. The volatility is probably going to continue. How
long do you think it's going to last for?
These late market cycles, it's typical. So we have really high highs, really low lows. It'll last for some time. It might be weeks or months, but basically we'll know it's over when we capitulate and we can't read anything positive in the papers and no one wants to touch a share. So I think that's when we'll know it's over.
We don't want to see that happen. Should people be worried about their superannuation in this situation?
Worried, no. Watchful, yes. So if you're young, 20s, 30s, and you've got your asset mix right, so you're in a high growth type fund, there's no need to do anything because these breathers, these market corrections happen regularly. We had one 3 years ago. We're going through one now. They're a regular thing. If you're a little older though, pre-retirement or in retirement, it's a good chance, especially today when we are having a breather, to just have a look at your portfolio and make sure that the risk that you're taking, so the amount you've got in shares, just reflects your stage of life and your tolerance for risk. Because at the end of the day, we don't want a big crash like this to impact anyone's retirement.
No, absolutely. Agreed. Jason, thanks for your insight this morning. We
Pleasure.
Appreciate it.
Thanks, Louise.